Hi, students. Just wanted to take a moment here as we're in the last days leading up to the beginning of the new semester to welcome you to the course, to welcome you to your study of American history. And I wanted to say in particular on behalf of myself, but also on behalf of the History Department and on behalf of East New Mexico University, how happy we are that you are here, here in this class, if not here present before me. Without wanting to be overly dramatic, it seems clear that our society is dealing with some highly unusual challenges at this time. And I know that there's a real temptation to kind of want to go away and hide, to kind of make yourself as small as possible, to put everything on pause until the world society returns to something that's more closely approaching normality. And that it's difficult when everything seems to be in flux and everything seems to be in change to really commit yourself to something and to invest your energy in something. But I also know that it's very important that we don't get overwhelmed by things that are beyond our control and that we pursue excellence in things that are in our control. And so we're very happy that you, by enrolling in this class, have taken the next step in pursuing your goals, your dreams, whatever they are. And we're delighted that this class is a part of those dreams and those goals. And we want to encourage you to pursue this class, to pursue excellence in this class. It is something that is absolutely within your power to achieve. You might not be able to control what happens with the coronavirus, but you are able to control your performance in this class. You are able to control what you do in this class. And so we're very happy that you're here. We're very encouraged that you're here and that you're taking this next step and that you're letting us be a part of this next step. Also, my hope and my thought is, in thinking about this class and thinking about the beginning of the new semester, my hope and my thought is that the study of history at a time like this is or can be especially helpful. History gives us this perspective on the past. History gives us this broader perspective to understand the time that we are in. Especially in the study of American history. You'll see in this video that I've assigned for week one. I'm not really doing a whole lot in week one. We're kind of just getting a feel for the class. But the video that I've assigned for week one, it talks about these hallmarks of American history: courage, creativity, and determination. And my hope is that we can look back at American history. And we can look back to the very beginnings of American history, or we can look in American history in the 19th and the 20th centuries. I'm sure we can all imagine, remember, think of scenarios when there were Americans or participants in American history who were faced with very challenging circumstances where it seemed very difficult to move forward and to invest in something. But that in the end, the history of the United States is a history of men and women who had the courage to do that. And so my hope is that this class will be a way for you to continue to move forward, and that more specifically, the material of this class will be a source of inspiration, a source of strength for you as you move forward. While it's nice to have the strength of the inspiration of thinking about studying history, I know that it's nice to have something beyond that. And so I just wanted to take this moment in this video to emphasize that even though some of you are probably taking an online class for the first time, some of you perhaps don't particularly prefer online learning over learning face-to-face in a classroom. But that you are not alone, that I am here, I am invested in you being successful in this class. The university has many other resources to help you, and I've provided their contact details in the syllabus. If there's anything about this class that seems difficult or intimidating, don't worry. It's a class, you're learning something new. Parts of the class should be a little difficult and a little intimidating. So don't worry and come and talk to me. If in the 5 minutes after receiving this email, you think there's something about this class that doesn't make sense to me, that I feel really uncertain about, don't hesitate to send me an email and we'll work it out. And that will be the status for the rest of the semester. Don't hesitate to come to me when there's anything about learning online, about the course material, about the course assignments that you're uncertain of. I'm here to help you. I'm very happy to help you and to be working with you. And I'm very excited that we get to pursue learning about the history of the United States together.